If we know the side lengths of a triangle, we can use the converse of Pythagoras' theorem to determine if we have a right-angled triangle. And that's what we're going to look at today. The converse of Pythagoras' theorem says that if the square of the length of the longest side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the triangle is a right triangle. That is, if a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then the triangle is a right triangle. Carpenters and builders often use the 3-4-5 method for squaring corners to ensure that the projects they are building have a precise 90-degree angle. 3-4-5 is the ratio of the length of the sides of the right triangle. If the lengths of the walls conform to this ratio, then the walls are square, and that means that they're right angled to each other. Is the below triangle a right angled triangle? So we've got two shorter sides, 3 units and 4 units, and the longer side, which looks like the hypotenuse, is 5 units. So we can write Pythagoras' theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We have the two shorter sides are a and b, and the longer side will be c. We rewrite the formula. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. And then we solve. So 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25. And the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Therefore, this is a right-angled triangle. Determine if the flagpole is straight. So we can use Pythagoras' theorem if we know the 3 lengths of the sides of the triangle to determine if the pole is at a right angle to the ground. So we write it. This time we've written c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c squared will be the diagonal, the 10 meters. A will be 8 meters and b will be 6 meters. So we rewrite the formula. With 10 squared equals 8 squared plus 6 squared. That equals 100 equals 64 plus 36. And then 100 equals 100. So the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. And therefore, the flagpole is straight. And that flagpole forms a right angle with the ground. And that's how we solve that problem. Thank you.